everyone, thanks for joining me today on Pilates with Amanda. In today's video, we're going to be using a foam roller to do some core work. So grab yourself a long foam roller. It can be soft or hard. Use what you've got and let's get started. We're going to begin using the foam roller lengthwise, and you're going to just sit on top of it. Arms are directly in front of you, and you're going to lower yourself down bone by bone slowly with grace and bring your arms directly over your shoulders. From here, we're going to open our arms out to the sides and then exhale, pull them up. Just starting to warm up the body, allowing your spine to be soft in the roller and just allowing it to release. Pulling the navel in as our arms open out to the sides. Inhaling here and then exhaling. One more like this. Once our arms are directly over our shoulders, we're going to make little circles with the arms, trying to keep ourselves centered and not allowing our spines to move. So by laying on the foam roller lengthwise, we're actually engaging our core muscles to stabilize us. And we'll reverse those circles, just allowing our spines to feel soft and supple in the roller, and then lower our arms down to the mat, pressing the palms heavy into the floor. We're going to exhale as we bring one leg up into tabletop and lower that leg down. Trying to keep everything soft. The upper body is soft, and we're hinging at our knee at 90 degrees and using our breath to facilitate the movement. So this takes a lot of balance, a lot of control. Just try and breathe your way through it and really pull the core tight as we exhale to lift that leg up. And we're going to go for 4. 4. Exhale, 3. Take your time. 3. Exhale. 2. 2. And really just try and come up to 90. 1. And 1. From here, you're going to place your hands behind your head. You're going to lift your head, neck, and chest up and lower it back down onto the foam roller. Exhale as we come up, really pressing our spine into the length of the roller and lifting our chest, keeping our head heavy in our hands. And we're going to breathe, keep those elbows wide. And exhale for 5. 4, really trying to ground our feet into the mat. 3, inhale as we lower. 2, last one, staying up here. You're going to bring your arms to your sides and you're going to pump for inhale and exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, deepen the navel. Great. Lowering that chest back down slowly. We're going to bring both legs up into tabletop, trying to find our balance here. And we're going to lower them both down to the mat and exhale them back up. And inhale here. Exhale to draw those legs up. Inhale. Exhale. A lot of stability is done here, really required on both sides of the body. It also is really nice to notice the asymmetries that are going on, which side is in more control, where do you have more balance, and just try and breathe into your back as you lift the legs up. 2, only 1 more. And 1. Good. Lowering the legs back down. Relax that upper body. You're just going to slide yourself off. And as you do this, try and keep your back. Just relax. Allow yourself to feel the heaviness of your body into the mat. Breathing. Just feel the weight of your upper half. And then you're going to sit up and take your foam roller and place it directly underneath your feet. So your feet are gonna be right here. You're gonna extend them out on the roller, and we're gonna lower our spines down bone by bone. You're gonna bring your arms over your head. You're gonna bend your knees in as you lift your chest and then reach your arms long, like this. Exhale, scoop. Inhale. 3, finding a nice flow. 4, reaching, really lift those shoulder blades off the mat. 5, lengthen the neck, really try and find the tips of your fingers and the tips of your toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, really deepening the core as we bend in. Last one. And lower down. You can give your knees a little rock left and right. And then you're going to put your feet back on the foam roller. You're gonna press your left heel down into the mat, and you're gonna point your toes, and you're gonna flex that foot and make little circles on the ceiling, dropping your shoulders for 2, 3, trying to keep those hips still. 4, exhale. 5, 6, try and make these circles smooth. 7, 8, 9, really lengthen through the kneecap, and 10, and reverse it. We're gonna go for 10, 9, 8, relax the shoulders. 7, 6, really try and straighten that leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, lower the leg, extend it back out. Flex the right foot, point the left toes, and make little circles for 10. 9, keep those hips still. 8, keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, keep breathing. Pull the belly button in. 2, and 1, and we'll reverse it. We're gonna go for 10, 9, 8, 7, breathing. 6, keep pulling those toes to the ceiling. 5, 4, 3, really try and flex your right foot. 2, and 1, lower that leg down. We're gonna sit up, peeling our spine up, rolling, flexing those feet, reaching for our toes, breathing, stacking the spine tall. And again, we're gonna melt the spine down, bone by bone, keeping those feet really flexed, reaching those arms up and over our head, circling them around. Exhale, pull the belly button in, peel the spine up, reaching for those feet, breathing into our heels, and stacking the spine tall. Let's do 3 more. We're melting down bone by bone. Really flex those feet. Try and press your lower back into the mat and articulate your spine 1 bone at a time, reaching those arms up and over our heads, circling them around. Exhale, deepen the navel. Really press the lower back into the mat here and find that sticky spot. Once you do find your sticky spot, really press the belly button in, fold over ourselves, really reach for our feet. Breathe into the lower back, stack the spine tall, and 1 more, melting down, bone by bone, really articulate. Reach up and over, exhale, circle those arms around. Breathing into the lower back, pull the legs, sit up tall, and we're going to move right along. So from here, you're gonna take the foam roller, place your hands on it, and you're gonna press the foam roller away, trying to keep your hips directly over your knees and then deepen the navel as we roll up into a cat. So we're pressing our arms away. Let's try and find this. Okay, we're pressing our arms away, really find that stretch in the shoulders or allow our tailbones to reach up to the sky, and then peel the spine up. Find that cat, pull the navel in, and stack the spine tall. Again, we're diving our head under, we're pressing the foam roller away, really reaching and allow our body to stretch. Breathe into the lower back here, allow the shoulders to stretch, and then pull the stomach in and up, in and up. This should take time. Really find your stretch, squeeze those glutes and stack the spine tall. Let's do 3 more so our head rolls down. We slowly press the roller away, allowing our body to lengthen and stretch. Really reach through those fingers, tuck the pelvis under, allow the lats to pull down and pull those bellies in and up, really stacking the spine tall. And taking a second, nodding the chin forward, reaching those arms out, breathing, feeling that stretch. Ooh, it feels nice. And then tucking the butt under, really rounding the spine in and up as we roll up to a tall position. Last one, reaching out, press those arms away. Find your stretch. Where does it feel good? Really sink into it. Breathe here and then pull the pelvis under, round the spine up, squeeze those abs, and find your tall. From here, to finish off this quick foam roller series, we're going to place our hands on the mat. Our shins are going to be on the foam roller with a flat back, neutral spine. Tailbone reaching to the opposite side of the room and the head is reaching to the other corner. We're going to pull our knees under and exhale them out, just bringing back to around 90. And exhale 2. Exhale 3. Try and make sure your shoulders are directly underneath your wrists. 4. Shoulders are down. Exhale 5. 6. Gaze is towards the floor. 7. Breathing here. 8. It's much harder on a hard foam roller, so if you have a soft one, this is definitely better. 8. 9. One more. And 10. Woo! Wiggle it out. And we're going to get back onto it. We're going to keep, if your wrists are starting to bother you, can always make fists like this. I wouldn't recommend doing this on our forearms. It's just not that type of exercise. And we're going to do with a round back. So you're going to pull your pelvis under like this. 1, 2. So it's not flat, it's round. 3. Allowing the pelvis to pull towards our face. 4. 5. Keep it round. 6. Exhale. 7. 8. 9, head is dropping to the floor. And 10. Wowie, owie, that was intense. Whew, okay, and to finish off this little series, we're gonna try 5 with 1 leg at a time. So you're gonna bring your shins back onto here. You're gonna extend 1 leg out, find your balance, make sure your hips are square and pull that knee under. 1, 2, 3, what am I talking about? 5, we're doing 10. 4, exhale, 5. Doesn't have to be a big movement. 6, point those toes. 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10, lower it down. Switch legs, find your balance, extend that left leg back, point your toes, and pull that right knee under. 1, 2, breathing. Exhale. 3, bellies in. 4, lengthen through the head and the toes. 5, 6, 7, 8, really lengthen. 9, this is hard. 1 more. And 10, lower yourselves down. There you have it, your quick core workout with a foam roller. I look forward to seeing you next time on Pilates with Amanda.